A year ago, Yakima Valley Memorial Hospital became part of the Multicare health system to help with its financial struggles and with expanding local access to health care. New tonight, Apple Valley News Now's Emily Goodell spoke to hospital officials who say despite continuing challenges, they are better off now than they were before joining Multicare.
Back in January 2023, Multicare CEO Bill Robertson said they plan to invest well over $100 million in healthcare in the Yakima community. But the promise came at a time when Multicare was also struggling financially, with a loss of $287 million in 2022 and at least $121 million in the first 5 months of 2023. Last summer, it led to the company laying off more than 200 people statewide, including 37 in Yakima. But the hospital says despite the challenges, they've accomplished a lot in the last year.
We have hired over 100 new nurses, 17 new physicians, APPs, which include physician assistants and nurse practitioners. We are going to have a big electronic medical record implementation in June, and that's about $50 million.
And bringing back services like gastroenterology.
In the early part of 2023, it was really difficult to get a screening colonoscopy. Today, I'm happy to report that now, if you need one here in Yakima, we can get you in a couple of weeks.
Plus, a 12% increase in primary care visits, no layoffs planned so far in 2024, and financially, things are looking up.
Our last quarter, we really saw a lot of positive improvement in not only decreasing our costs, but really improving the amount of revenue we were generating.
A change attributed to having more permanent staff instead of having to pay extra for temporary workers.
The other piece that we've seen is we have been negotiating with payers so that we could get a more representative rate of what we need to have sustainable health care here in Yakima.
The goal for 2024?
Continuing to rebuild our physician community, bringing in resources and specialties that we've lost over the years and bringing them back, improving the access to both primary and specialty care.
Another big change in 2024, according to documents filed with the State Department of Health, Multicare plans to pay about $1 million to take over the Astria Health Ambulatory Surgical Center before their lease ends on February 28th.
A little bit early in the game, and as far as from a regulatory compliance standpoint, can't really make big announcements about what the time frame is, but we are looking at ways that we can improve the amount of ambulatory surgery access we have here in Yakima.
According to a draft letter of intent between the two healthcare systems, if finalized, Multicare would be able to take over the surgical center as soon as February 29th. Reporting from the Yakima newsroom, Emily Goodell, Apple Valley News Now.